Hi everyone, this is Julianne over at Two Little Bird Shop. My instructional video today is going to be about how to remove HTV, heat transfer vinyl, off of a t-shirt. Now the only time you want to do this is if you make a mistake on your shirt. So I used to think that once you heat press vinyl to a shirt, there was no way to get it off until I researched it and I found this really cool way to do that. So yesterday I was working on these shirts and I didn't notice till after I pressed it that I had spelled the word exhausting wrong. So now I have to remove the U and the A out of this word so that I can correct it with some new vinyl. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just take your regular iron that you use to iron your clothes. I've already turned this one on so it's preheated. I'm using the cotton setting. If you don't have certain material settings on your iron, just put it on the highest setting. And then what you're gonna do is find the area of the shirt that you want to fix. So again, I'm gonna take out the U and the A in the word exhausting. Okay, so my iron, like I said, is preheated. You're also going to want to grab a pair of just regular tweezers. Okay, so again, I'm going to remove the A and the U out of the word exhausting. So you get your iron. So I have my iron preheated. And I'm going to put the shirt over the iron, over the letters I want to remove. Let it sit there for a minute to warm up. And then you can use your tweezers and look, the vinyl just comes up really easily. The U and the A. Take it off, move your iron. Okay, now look. So I've taken up just those two letters, the A and the U, and you can't even tell they were there. There's no indication that I had letters there and then removed them. It's just completely blank. So now all I have to do is go back to my design in my Silhouette software, and I'm just gonna cut those two letters out, the A and the U, and then press them on there. They're already pre-measured because I've already cut this design, so I really don't have to do any extra work on that side. All right, well, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. In the past, I used to think once you press that vinyl on there, it's on for good. If you make a mistake, you have to toss the shirt, make a whole new one, but that is not the case. All you need is a hot iron and some tweezers, and you can quickly remove any mistakes you make on a t-shirt. Hopefully you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you aren't currently following me on Facebook or Instagram, my Facebook page is Two Little Bird Shop and my username on Instagram is Two Little Bird Shop. Follow me there and I will be posting some other tutorials on there. You can also message me if you have any questions and I will also answer you from there. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.